Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin. Today we're going to be doing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I haven't received my regular glam bag yet, which is weird because normally they come on the same day, but like when I do my tracking information, it's not telling me where it is. So hopefully I get that in the next few days, so that video will go up soon if I do, but for now we're just going to do this guy. If you don't know, Ipsy just recently came out with this a few months back, maybe like 6 months ago or so. It's a $25 a month subscription. It's very comparable to like BoxyCharm, and it comes with full size to deluxe sample size, that's how you say that, products, usually 5 to 6. And yeah, it comes in this really cute hot pink basket box. I can't talk today, it's late in the day, so, which is not normally when I film. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Inside it looks like this. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And then, it does come with like some yellow foam. And then it's got the products in here. So the first thing right on top that I'm seeing is this card. This of course has like all the products listed in it that we get. We're not gonna look at that quite yet. We'll look at that for pricing, but that's pretty much it. So opening it up, the first thing I see is this guy, and I'm super excited about this. I have never tried this. This is by Pixi. It's the Glow Mist with propolis oil and argan oil. It's a nourishing mist. It's hard to read. The words on there are like, they're like a copper color or bronze, but they're like on the bottle. And it kind of seems like all of the product kind of settled up there, so I'm assuming you have to shake it before use. Once you shake it, product kind of spreads throughout. This is sealed, which I do appreciate. Yeah, it's just an all-over mist, so you can use this to like set your makeup or just like a little rehydration throughout the day. I kind of want to try it right now. I do have setting spray on already, obviously, but I've always wanted to try this and I've never picked it up. I don't have like a Pixi anywhere near me. Like, I don't have a Target or an Ulta near me at all. It's like 2 hours away is the nearest one, so I never like get this stuff. I don't even have a Target near me. Like, I just said that. But yeah, okay, so shake that. And then I love the color of this packaging. Green is my favorite color. Let's just go. Well, let's see. Oh yeah. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like citrusy kind of. Ooh, I like that mist a lot. Is it leaving dots? That's the real test. Let's see. No, I don't see any dots on my face. Sweet, I'm excited to try that more. This retails for $15, so not terrible. Next in here is this guy. This is by Pure Lease. It's the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I love matcha green tea. Matcha green lattes are my favorite thing ever, from Starbucks anyway. The other day I had my fiance go get me one because I was at work, and he brought me one, and it was a green tea mocha frap, and I about died. I was so upset, but it tasted so bad, so I don't recommend that. But this is a moisturizing primer. I love the packaging, super cute. It says green tea is a powerful antioxidant that moisturizes skin and protects from signs of aging. Has white tea, which soothes sensitive skin. Vitamin E that prevents premature aging and improves skin texture. And French marine plants to help retain moisture. Cool. So this is going to be something that you can use just like on its own or underneath makeup. It is a priming moisturizer. Or a moisturizing primer. Like that. This is something that I will definitely use. Ooh yeah, that feels really nice. And definitely smells like green tea. Wow. I'm gonna love this. I hope so anyway. Yeah, that feels moisturizing, but it also feels a little bit tacky, so it's gonna be good under makeup. So far, I'm excited. How much does this thing retail for? Let's see. $45. Okay, that's a little expensive. I didn't know pre-release was that expensive. Maybe it's just this, but so far, excited. It's in another green theme so far. Next thing is also sort of green. It's more of an aqua blue, but this is by Thrive Cosmetics. Never tried Thrive Cosmetics, so I'm excited. Are they? Yeah, they are cruelty free. This is the Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, Length and Volume. It's got Orchid Stem Cell Complex. Play some of your black. Do you have a color? Bryn Rich Black. Cool. Okay. I don't know if this comes in other colors or not, but I'm not a huge, like, I don't really like brown mascaras. I do have one that I really like, but I don't wear them too often. This feels really weighted. I like the way that feels, and the packaging is gorgeous. I really don't want to open this, but I will for you guys. I have so many mascaras open right now. Ooh. Ooh, it smells strong. So, that's what the wand looks like. It's kind of like the Christmas tree shape. I don't typically love this sort of wand, but I will definitely give it a try. So, I'm excited about this too. $24. So basically you pay for this and then everything else is free if you want to think about it that way. I've been staring at this product in here for a minute and I just don't want to use it yet, so I'm gonna go to the next one because I'm saving, in my opinion, the best for last. So the next thing in here is this guy. This is by Huda Beauty. It's the Catch the Light Highlighter in Glotion and Celestial. Can I use you under foundation? That's what I want to know. It retails for $34. It says it's radiance boosting duo in both stick and liquid formula. What? Makes it easy to customize your glow. Both formulas are made with microfine pearl pigments to illuminate your complexion and healthy ingredients like aloe leaf, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid to nourish, hydrate, protect, and refine your skin. So this says it's at, oh, that's so cool. Okay, so the packaging looks like this. I did not realize that this was two things, but basically you screw this part off and then you've got like a stick highlighter. Looks like that. It's kind of subtle, but pretty. Might be a little too dark for me. Doesn't smell like anything. And then I'm guessing, yeah, then you unscrew that whole piece. So the stick highlighter is very small, but it's still cool that you get two products. And then in here is the liquid highlight. That's cool. Very innovative, Huda Beauty. Oh, that came out faster than I thought it would. That's what it looks like. It's kind of thick. It is sliding down a little bit. Oh, it's real thick. A little goes a long way, but that's what it looks like. That smells. Whoa, that smells. That smells like, I don't know what it is, but I used to, TMI, but I used to get eczema really bad when I was young. And that smells like the lotion that I had to wear. It's like Cetaphil, something like that. That smells like that. At least that's where my mind automatically went. But once you get it under makeup, I'm sure you won't notice it too much. Yeah, that's pretty. That's definitely something that I'll wear under makeup. And then the highlighting stick is right there where it's more shiny, shinier. So I'll probably use the liquid. I'll be honest, I probably won't use the stick highlight just because I usually don't use stick highlights very often. But putting this under my foundation, I will definitely do. So, like that. And the last product is this guy. This is by Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty is like back and forth about being cruelty free. I'm not 100% sure if they are. I don't really know how I feel about it either. Like, they say that they're cruelty free, but they also sell mink lashes, so I'm not sure how you can be cruelty free and sell mink lashes. I'm not sure if there's like a way to get mink lashes without harming the animal, maybe. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think about Huda Beauty down below. But I will definitely try the eyeshadow palette. I mean, they say they're cruelty free and they're marketed as cruelty free, so I don't think they can technically say they're cruelty free without being cruelty free, but like Wet n Wild did, so I don't know 100% sure. So guys, let me know what you think, but I'm definitely excited about this palette because these colors are beautiful. I used to own another Huda Beauty palette, one of these little guys, the Obsession palettes. I had the colorful one, but I did wind up decluttering it in my last declutter. If you guys haven't seen that, check it out. It just went up today when I'm filming this, so go check that out because I get rid of a lot of eyeshadow palettes. And then check out all my other declutters because I'm pretty sure like all last week that's all I did was declutter stuff. So, but I am excited about this palette. It's super cute. When I got the bright one, I was debating on getting this one, so I'm glad that I have this one now. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Look at that matte though. Okay, you guys definitely have to let me know what you think about Huda Beauty, because I'm on the fence, but this palette is making me want to be like, yeah, they're cruelty free, totally. But this is really pretty. So, how much does this retail for? 20 something? 27. So that's pretty good, you guys. The box value on this was really good, and I am excited about every single product in here, which is awesome. And every product in here is cruelty free. I'm saying quotations because I'm, you know, Huda Beauty. Will leave it alone now. But I'm excited about all these products. Let's do a quick little recap. We got the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Mauve Obsessions. Super cute, super excited. This one will be great for travel too, because these looks you can really like, you can make these very vampy with these dark shades here. You can make them very subtle using these two shades. There's some glitter colors. There's a little bit of pop of color with that pink. So you can really make these neutral or really fun. So this would be really good for travel. The Wonder Beauty thing is probably my least favorite in the box, but I'm excited about it still because I think it'll be really pretty under foundation. Super excited about this, like most excited I've probably ever been to get a setting spray, but I'm excited. The primer I'm excited about, and the mascara I'm excited about. I love trying mascaras. So everything in here I feel like is pretty bomb this month, so that's exciting. Usually like BoxyCharm is my favorite subscription, but comparing this month's BoxyCharm, spoiler alert if you haven't watched my review already, to this, I've gotta say definitely leaning towards Ipsy right now because this one was bomb. But yeah, that's everything I have. Let me know down below what you got in your box and what your favorite product you got so far was, or if there's anything you didn't like. And let me know if you're BoxyCharm or Ipsy Glam bag right now. I mean, Ipsy Glam bag is a little bit more expensive, but do you think it's worth it? Let me know down below, and don't forget to like this video before you go. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my videos. And if you guys want to hang out with me more, my Twitter and Instagram will both be linked down below. Bye guys.